First day of jury selection today in the penalty phase for the man who pleaded guilty last year to killing a Nassau County deputy during a traffic stop in 2021.
Patrick McDowell faces either the death penalty or life in prison. Action News Jack's Logan McDonald is live right now from the Nassau County Courthouse in Logan. This is expected to be a lengthy process.
The first of just 6 days of jury selection today, Dawn, and it's ultimately a jury that will decide if McDowell lives or dies in this high-profile case. 44 jurors filled into a Nassau County courtroom at 8:40 this morning as clipboards were handed out, questionnaires in hand. They were asked about their prior knowledge of the case against Patrick McDowell, the man who pleaded guilty to killing Nassau County Deputy Joshua Moyers during a traffic stop in 2021. Another question the potential jurors were asked, their feelings on the death penalty. A possible sentence for McDowell that Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson says will likely complicate the jury's decision.
You have to, as a juror, determine whether or not someone should be put to death. In an odd way, it's almost like being on a firing squad.
McDowell also will be sentenced under the newly enacted 2023 law, which now only requires 8 of 12 jurors to recommend the death penalty. It's no longer unanimous recommendation like before. Carson says the nature of this case, the killing of a law enforcement officer, could play a factor in McDowell's fate.
There is a complexity, an additional layer of complexity in a case like this from a defense perspective, because an individual who has a positive standing in the community has been slaughtered, according to the evidence.
Jury selection is expected to take place through next Friday, with the penalty phase with the selected jurors themselves expected to take place through the end of the month, at least. For local coverage, you can count on reporting live from the Nassau County Courthouse. Logan McDonald, Action News Jax.
On September 24, 2021, Deputy Joshua Moyers pulled over Patrick McDowell to perform a traffic stop. During that stop, Moyers asked McDowell to get out of the car, which he did with a gun in his hand. McDowell proceeded to shoot Moyers twice, once in the face and once in the back. The following day, a manhunt for McDowell started. He was on the run for 5 days before being caught. He was found hiding in the bathroom of a concession stand at a sports complex in Callahan. Moyers' handcuffs were used to arrest McDowell. In March of 2023, McDowell pleaded guilty to killing Moyers. A woman who helped McDowell during the manhunt also faced charges. She has pleaded guilty.